Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Ram 1500. When the Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right, the Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated seats, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering. Come take a test drive today.